My name is Kai. I specialize in BRRs and service accommodation. And I'm mainly a deal sourcer, but I'm also a landowner. Yeah, it's been amazing. I've met amazing people. It's actually motivated me a lot and helped me whittle down what exactly I want to do and just fully change my mindset. Yeah, they're all lovely people and very inspiring to be around and to learn from. Yeah, everyone's just so open. It feels like a proper community, and yeah, it's just great. Lots of reasons. I was okay. I got into property because it's actually that's such a hard question. I got into property because I felt like I wanted to finally do something for myself. I wanted to be my own boss. I wanted to make good income, actually doing something I enjoy. Like property has been something I've been very interested in since I was quite young. And just the community behind it, you feel like you're part of something. It's just something I'm very passionate about. Next steps, in about 2 weeks, I'm going to do my first BRR investment with my JV, and I'm going to sell my first deal. Yeah. 22. Just go for it. Don't let anyone put you down or tell you what you should do. It's all down to what you want at the end of the day. 100%. Yeah. I at first was like unsure whether I should come to an actual live event because I'm already like on the portal and doing all the online stuff, but it is so much different. Way more inspiring. You kind of pick everything up a little bit easier when you're actually there in person and surrounded by everyone that's very like-minded.